lovies, thank you for coming back. If this is your first time here, please hit that subscribe button and please give this video a thumbs up. I just want to say that I'm doing another unboxing. Let me know if you're feeling this hair color. It's my Beyonce wig. Like, it literally is called a Beyonce wig, and I like it, and then sometimes I'll hit like a certain angle and I'll be like, I hate it. Why did I pick it? Why did I spend all this money on this wig? It wasn't a lot of money, but I'm still trying to finesse the wigs, so there's going to be a wig review coming very soon. Anyway, so we're here today because I got the Niki Demartino jewelry, her line called Knickknacks, which I think is so cute. I actually discovered Niki and Gabby like maybe about a year and a half ago, where I randomly was recommended their 24-hour shopping challenge, and at first I was like, 24 hours of shopping, like sign me up. I mean, like with somebody else's bank account, because like that's not realistic right now for me, if you know what I mean. So I'm watching it and like I like them. I like their content. I mean, like sometimes their content can be a little too geared towards like a younger demographic, which is fine, so I just, you know, don't watch it. But I really like them. I started watching Gabby's vlogs and I really like her personality. At first I geared more towards Gabby because she's like more into luxury things, which I'm like obsessed with. I love designer goods and designer items, so I kind of related to her vlogs. But like now that Niki's been a little bit more putting out more content, more videos, and talking about her anxiety and her depression, her seasonal depression at that, I relate really heavily to that, especially in this current phase of my life of being a med student again, or just being a student in general after taking such a long break. So I wanted to support her. I purchased, I think, just one thing. She had like a Black Friday sale, and during that she only had the Charm collection, which is more of like the Halloween, you know, witchy type of stuff. I love the website. I think it's really cute. I love the fact that she's coming out with different collections and naming them something different, like the blue collection and this cold AF. I think it's really, really pretty. It's really gorgeous. I wish she would restock the 2 rings from the Charm collection, like the one that was a coffin and the one that was a ghost, because I thought they were really, really cute. Like I've mentioned on this channel before, I'm trying to get more into, I don't want to say sustainable jewelry, but just jewelry that's just made with care, with better quality, because I'm really over these Forever 21, AliExpress, H&M necklaces that are cute for two minutes and all of a sudden your neck is turning green, it's rusting AF, and it's just like, so I just wasted a solid $5. So I'm trying to invest in more things, and like, again, I really like her collection. I really like her. I like her brand. We'll say the website is easy to navigate. There was a sale for Black Friday, or like somewhere in November. Yeah, Black Friday's in November. Somewhere in November. She hasn't had a sale recently, especially with the new decade, new year. I checked recently. I didn't see anything. I will be going back when there's a sale. The prices are affordable, but you know, it's just like, I'd rather just drop all this money at once during a sale than, you know what I mean. If you're a brokiana, you know what I mean. So anyway, I bought this a while ago. It was delivered while I was in school, so we're just gonna get into it. Let me see, okay. Packaging was really fast. I did open it because I was looking for something at the time. I think I just purchased one item at the time because I was like, it was just a Charm collection and I really wanted a necklace and the 2 rings, but they were sold out. She's into dangly earrings, and that's not really my steez. Like, I'm more into like studs or hoops. I'm not very a big fan of like the in-between. I'm trying to, but like it's not really my steez, so this video is not going to be very long because it's generally just one item, which is fine. Ooh, okay, like I said, from the Charm collection, I like the thought that went behind it. It makes it look like a little, not little, but like it's a little book of spells. And I got the Boo necklace because I thought that was really cute. And I felt like I could incorporate that into my everyday look. I'm obsessed with Hocus Pocus, Sabrina the Teenage Witch, both the one in the 90s and the one that's on Netflix right now that's more dark and edgy. I really love those type of things. So I'm really happy. And this is what it looks like. Boo, and then it just has her company's name or brand name, Knickknacks, and I just think it's so cute. Let me see. Oh boy. Okay. Not I guess, but I will add, oh shoot, sweet. That's so cute. I will add all the details of this necklace because it's still currently on the website. It retailed for, I don't know if you can see that, but it says knick-knack, which I think again is very cute, and I love the branding behind the whole thing. But I will drop all the specifics and dimensions and, you know, what it's made out of down in the description box or on the screen for you. I love it. I'm trying to get it loose. I apologize for all the noise. Ooh, this is really cute. Okay, I think it's a little, yeah, she did a great job with this. If anything, I love the box. Like I've mentioned before on this website, I am a sucker for packaging and I'm here for it. It has like that type of beading type of chain, and then it has, not as I already told you, it's a boo necklace, and the boo is in like this gothic styling that's very popular with, like, you know, very gothic, very old-timey. I'm gonna see if I can put it on my fat neck. Let us hope. Oh, okay. And there's like 3 tiers in case you have a fat neck like myself. 1, 2, 3, or 4. But yeah, 4. Let's see if it'll look cute on this girl. And if it does look cute, I'll keep it on for the whole video. I hate putting on necklaces by myself because I wear glasses and this lighting in my bedroom is so bright. We got it. We good. Independent black woman. Don't need no man. I'm kidding. I do need someone. Apparently. That's embarrassing. Will I keep that in the video? Only time will tell. Oh boy. Yes, okay. And it's definitely more of a collar. Like I said, I have a fat neck, so if you're more of a thick neck gal like myself, I would definitely be conscientious of that. I do want to purchase another necklace, even though this is, which is fine. My Tiffany necklace is also at the same length, so I'm not unfamiliar with that. I think it's really cute. Unfortunately, my fucking sweater is in the way, and that's fine. It's really cute. I would wear this even when it's on Halloween personally. So if you're a thick neck gal like myself, be conscientious that you might have to use the last little circle to use it. But overall, I think it's really cute. 5 out of 5. Website is gorgeous. You can really tell she put a lot of, like, you know, she put a lot of her time into that, and I really love the photography or the photos that you see of her posting each piece, and they're really, really cute. So I would recommend Niki's new jewelry line, Shop Knick-Knack. Super, super cute. Anyway, lovelies, that was my review slash haul. I don't know, what would you call it? On Niki Demartino's line, Shop Knick-Knacks. I'll drop the name of the website down below, but I'm sure we're all familiar with it by now. Anyway, thank you for watching this. I hope you have a great day. Stay positive, lovies. Bye.